Love Nation.
Yeah.
What's up, now? Are you watching our comedy now? What's in about my workshop?
Okay. Sir, please don't be offended. Actually, we came to solicit for your sponsorship stroke partnership.
Yes. Anyway, me I know they for comedy now. At the well door protector gate.
At the end of our comedy skit, we have advertised this your big company. You stand a chance to have customers, plenty customers like this.
I don't know in any way you guys can sponsor us.
Nigeria hard now these days, so why not get down? But I feel help una say if una door spoil, protector, or una won't wear anything, I feel call me. I'll come back for you.
Trustworthy.
Okay, bro, no problem.
Alright, no.
We will check back some other time. Well done. Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Hello, young man.
Well done,
How are you?
sir.
Hello, how are you?
Sir, we are from Love Nation Entertainment.
Oh, Love Nation, don't say. I know about that network. Really? Yes, I've been watching you guys on YouTube. You guys have been doing a very great job. Wow. What brought you to my shop?
We came to solicit for your partnership stroke sponsorship.
Sponsorship,
Yeah.
Then, at the end of our comedy video skit, sir, you stand a chance to advertise your company. Then we put your address, your phone number. Then people come and patronize you. People that will die, will go and patronize you, sir.
Sponsorship?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it could have been a very nice idea, you both know. But the thing is, we are facing a great recession in this country. There is no money anywhere. But the best I can do for you guys is maybe if one of you die or any of your member dies, I can give you a casket free of charge.
Sir, die?
Oh, that's the best I can do for you now. My boy, bring me one book, let me write the name in case they die.
Customers, welcome. Hey, your face looks very familiar. I thought I saw you somewhere. I've been watching your comedy skits, especially you. You're very welcome. How may I help you?
You see, sister, we actually came to solicit for your sponsorship stroke partnership.
Hey, are you serious? My sponsorship.
Yes. Then at the end of our comedy video skit, madam, you advertise your company.
Are you
I
serious?
will tell you. Then at the end of the day, you see customers, you put your number, you put your address.
But there's a little problem, small problem. But no, people should not be afraid though. Because of Love Nation, you can call me anytime, any day, and eat free food.
See sponsorship,
I will
free
sponsor
food.
free food anytime, free food. Don't have any problem.
Madam, free food?
Free food, no problem.
It's a lie. Madam, you want to sponsor
I
us?
want to sponsor you free of charge.
No, madam, you are joking.
I'm not
serious?
I'm very, very serious.
Very serious, madam.
Very serious.
Yeah, you are serious.
I'm very
Die.
serious.
See sponsorship. Oh boy, call K2, I go call home boy.
Okay. Try we die here.
We die here. Hello. Oh, home boy. Abba, no buy that food again. We don't get sponsored one day.
Sponsorship.
Call Didi, call Ludoka, make call Benny.
Yes.
Call our boss, Johnny. Tell her make he bring one of his neighbor. We don't get sponsor. Oh boy, now food they won't sponsor us.
If you come now, Calabar Road, 55 Calabar Road, sponsorship there. What about sponsor?
Even Benny. No, now come on, now come. Madam, sponsor. Die. You want to sponsor us? Sponsorship.
Who is that woman that want to sponsor us? See, I have to come with extra fufu in case I carry food not do Hey, madam, it's you. Hola, she will sponsor us. Yes, it's from 100. It's from 100. Please, thank you very much for watching that for Love Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But it's from 100. Get our video in all the copy for yourself, for your landlord, and for your neighbor. Sponsor us, please. We are begging you to sponsor us. Anything you have to use and sponsor us. Sponsor us, but please don't sponsor us with casket. We don't want to die. Nobody is ready to die. Even our president is not ready to die. I'm not sure. We won't die, please. But sponsor us with any other thing. Any other thing. Israel on dead.